Hello everyone and welcome to another video about Linux. Today I am going to install Arch Linux with the most minimal setup so that it works on old hardware with 4 gigs of RAM, 2 gigs of RAM, low storage and older CPUs. Right now I am creating a virtual machine with 2 gigs of RAM, which will be 2048 MB of RAM and 2 CPU cores of my CPU. 20 GB should be enough for this install and begin. The reason I'm installing a minimal install is because I have a Lenovo laptop which is like 15 years old and I want to install something that will work on it. It has 4 gigs of RAM and i3 4th or 5th generation CPU. Okay, I'll just install Arch with Arch install. I'll just go through this in a quick way. For this configuration partitioning, I will do ext4 back swap. I'll disable swap for this. Bootloader will go with grub. Hostname will be the same. Authentication user confirm back. Now profile, you need to select i3 window manager for this. Copy ISO network configuration to installation and install. I'll be back with you after the install. Okay, the installation has completed. I'm going to reboot my system. That was really fast for a virtual machine. I'll do one. I'll use my Windows key as my super modifier, as my modifier key. Now, we have everything set up by default, but we are going to install a few applications. For one, we need to install the Thunar file manager. I'll do sudo pacman-s Thunar. I'll also install btop, which is a resource manager for the terminal. It is terminal based, so it is a more lightweight resource manager. I'll install Firefox for browser, and that's it. After the installation, let me show you what is the ideal RAM usage, what is the CPU usage, and done. Btop here, and as you can see on idle we are using about 400 MB of RAM. It's even lower than 400 MB, which is a surprise, but we have a really low RAM utilization with i3 and Arch Linux. Now a few more packages that you need to install on Arch Linux are git, cmake and basedevil, which we'll do by sudo pacman-s git cmake. I'll also do make, and I'll do basedevil. For installing anything from the AUR, you need these applications. And done. So as you can see here, this is the most minimal install of any distribution that you can get. There's no compilation, there's no long installation times. Just install it and you are ready to go. So currently we are using 396 MB of RAM, which is way lower than any other distro I've tried. On Hyperland that I use, as you can see, which I'm using on NixOS, ideally my Hyperland setup uses 1.8 gigs of RAM, but i3 and Arch Linux are really low on RAM usage. Well, there you go. That is the most minimal setup you can have with Hyperland. Sorry, with i3, Window Manager and Arch Linux. You can customize your i3 desktop with whatever look you like, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments what laptop you're using, what hardware you're using, and I'll see you in the next one.